is community so important in small towns? In places like Nedumthodu, nestled in the heart of Perumbavoor, it's the glue that holds everything together. And at the heart of this community, you'll find a bustling hub of activity and camaraderie, a small but mighty auto electrical shop known as Speed Auto Electricals. For the past 17 years, this establishment has been more than just a place to get your car fixed. It's been a cornerstone of the community, a meeting place, a symbol of reliability and trust. And the man behind this? That's Shanavas, a name that has become a byword for expertise in auto electrical repairs, a torchbearer of a family legacy that spans generations. The story of Speed Auto Electricals is one of humble beginnings. Shanavas, a man armed with nothing more than determination and a profound understanding of automotive electronics, started his venture in a small, rented garage. His reputation for solving any electrical issue in vehicles grew, and so did his business. What began as a solitary journey soon transformed into a thriving shop, a hub of skilled mechanics and technicians. Success for Speed Auto Electricals didn't just come from Shanavas's technical skills. It was his unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction that set him apart. His belief in transparency and integrity, his warm greeting, and his genuine desire to help made Speed Auto Electricals more than just a shop. It became a haven for vehicle owners. From simple maintenance tasks to complex electrical diagnostics, Speed Auto Electricals has seen it all. Shanavas and his team have navigated through challenges, adapted to new technologies, and stayed at the forefront of industry trends. But their impact extends beyond their doors. They've built lasting relationships with local businesses, individuals, and even mentored young apprentices. Speed Auto Electricals is more than a business, it's a vital part of the community. Shanavas has sponsored local sports teams, participated in charity drives, and offered his shop as a gathering place. It's a place where car problems get fixed and stories get shared. As Speed Auto Electricals celebrates its 17th anniversary, it stands as a testament to Shanavas's dedication and craftsmanship. Looking ahead, he sees a future of expanded services, embracing greener technologies, and continuing to serve the community that has supported him. Speed Auto Electricals is a beacon of reliability and goodwill, a business that's not just about fixing cars, but about building relationships. As the sun sets over Nedumthodu, the hum of activity at Speed Auto Electricals continues, echoing Shanavas's enduring legacy in the world of auto repairs. It's a journey that tells us one thing: the heart of a community often beats in the most unexpected places.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. It's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you